Abdur Rahman narrates, once I was in the service of Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha, and she, while narrating a hadith, mentioned the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would sometimes experience seminal emission in the early morning. He would perform ghusl, ritual bath, and then proceed towards the mosque. At that time, drops of water would be dripping from the blessed head of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. On such days, the Prophet ﷺ would make the intention for fasting. I conveyed this hadith to Marwan ibn Hakam, and he advised me to hear it directly from Hazrat Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him. I replied, he is my friend. It's better if you excuse me. Marwan insisted, saying, I solemnly swear that you must go to him. Therefore, both Marwan and I went to Hazrat Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him. When I narrated the hadith, he said, Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha is more knowledgeable about the matters of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Musnad Ahmad, hadith number 23584.